have just a couple of minutes remaining, and I want to go back to each of our speakers in just about a minute or so in case there's any final remarks you'd like to share with our attendees before we close out today. Wendie, we'll start with you.
Thank you, Elizabeth, and thank you, Derek, for your excellent presentation. It's been really such a privilege to share this presentation with you today. And as Elizabeth mentioned, we're available to answer questions from the audience. Feel free to email me or call me at the number provided. In terms of takeaways, I would just say that litigation finance continues to grow and be more utilized in the legal industry, and it really serves as an effective tool in the right cases to allow clients and firms to share risk with a funder. And so cases that might not otherwise make it into the courtroom can be brought without clients suffering from the undue pressure of high legal fees, or as Derek mentioned, kind of taking the risk of the litigation all on their own, and vice versa for firms. And so, and as it's increasingly in being used and known about by companies, I think that it's incumbent upon attorneys to just be aware of the practice and be aware of the circumstances in which it might serve as a good tool to use for your clients.
Thank you so much to Wendie Childress for being with us. Derek, any final remarks you'd like to share?
Thank you again, Elizabeth, and thanks again, Wendie. I'll make my final remarks very quick, and they just pick up where Wendie left off, which is, as a litigator that is representing clients, I almost feel like it's incumbent on me to advise my clients about the availability of litigation funding, because I do think it is enormously important to the financial flexibility that they can achieve and to their ability to achieve the best results. So I think this is a growing phenomenon. It's here to stay, and it's important for litigators to really understand how best to advise their clients about it.